Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with us how I use AI to generate models for my outfit for free. On the left you can see my mannequin wearing a dress, and on the right you can see an AI generated model wearing this dress. So stick with me and let me show you how to create this for free using ChatGPT. If you do not have ChatGPT app on your phone, you're going to start off by downloading it from your Play Store. You can also use the web version of this, but I prefer to use an app. So going to my Play Store, I am going to go ahead and type in ChatGPT and I'm going to search. After loading, you will see a page like this. So you can see ChatGPT highlighted here, and mine says updates because I already have it installed, but if you don't have it installed, it's going to show install. After installing it, you go to your apps and click on it. As a new time user, you need to sign up. All you need is your email and then you create a password and you're good to go. So this is me chatting with ChatGPT. So I started by saying, "Hi ChatGPT," and it said, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" And I said, "I would like you to generate an image for me using one of your models." And ChatGPT responded saying, "Of course, what kind of image would you like me to generate? Please describe it in as much detail as you can." So this is where you get to put in your prompt. You have to describe it down to every detail that you want. So I went ahead to just say, "I have a picture of my mannequin wearing a dress. I would like you to generate an image of a Nigerian lady wearing a dress. She should be a size small and she should be in her early 20s. So if you want a certain type of hair, skin tone, expression, this is where you get to tell ChatGPT what you want, and then it's going to respond and ask you to upload your image, and you click on this left corner here and you see photos, camera, files, and I'm going to click on photos, and from here I can select any photo of my choice. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and then I'll select another one. You can just select one image, you mustn't select multiple. So it's going to load the image, and at this point, if you have any other additional detail you want, you can go ahead and type it in here and then press send. And when you press send, ChatGPT is going to say, "All right, blah 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 blah, give me a moment to work on it," and then it will start loading. This may take a while to load, and this can be dependent on your network and also ChatGPT's network. I think sometimes they have high traffic. Okay, so it took me approximately about 2 minutes for mine to be generated, and this is what it gave to me. This is quite beautiful. I didn't like the headpiece and also the boxes. That multicolored boxes on the dress is not really pronounced. So I went ahead to tell ChatGPT to give me a full image and also to lose the headpiece. I don't need it, and give her an afro hair. So this is what it gave to me: a full image, a lady wearing an afro. You can go ahead and click on that save button to save it. I also went ahead to play around with this. I asked for a side view and it gave me this, and I said no, I want a side profile, and this is what it gave to me. I also went ahead to ask for a back view. I imputed an image of my mannequin, the back side, all right, and it generated a back view for me. Like I said earlier, you can use a web version if you don't want to use the app version, but I prefer the app version because I would have access to my history. So this is me going back to my ChatGPT after I had cleared it, opening up ChatGPT again. This is what you're going to see. So if you want to access your previous chat, all you need to do is click on the button, click on that top left icon right there, and you're going to see your chat history right from the very first chat to the last one. You'd also see your library. This contains all the AI generated images, and you can save it anytime, any day, so your data is not lost when you're using the ChatGPT app. This was my very first chat with ChatGPT, and I have the liberty to continue this chat. I can ask ChatGPT to modify anything in any of my previous chats, and this is why I like the app version instead of the web version. I don't know if the web version does this as well. I would also like to point out that you can only generate a maximum of 10 images per day using the free version of ChatGPT. So if you want to generate unlimited images, you'd have to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, but I am sharing the free version tip today. So this is that. As you can see, it showed me that I have reached my limit when I try to generate the 10th image. All right, so that is that on how to create an AI model using ChatGPT for free. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give this video a like so that more people can get to see it. Subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed. If you have any questions, suggestions, any thoughts, leave it in the comment section for me. Turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I post new videos, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys. Mwah.